channel Tumblr, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So again today I got another surprise mail because surprise China mail because, well, not like I mentioned last time, I've ordered some diamond paintings on Amazon and some on Wish app, and none of them say delivered today. So I don't know what came in. I am thinking it's from Amazon, but I can be wrong. And I didn't want to open it and just peep in it. I wanted to open it with you guys. So here I am once again. It's almost 12:30 in the night when I'm shooting this video, and my son just went to sleep, so that's the reason why I've got a chance to shoot this video so late in the night, because all day he just keeps me busy running around with him. So anyways, I have a lot of videos to post for my updates on each and every diamond painting, some of my own DIY diamond paintings. I just am not getting the time to do it, but I definitely will try and upload some of them soon. But while I'm still working on them, I'm just going to keep posting the unboxing for all these paintings that are landing at my house one by one. I was not expecting anything today because it says, like I mentioned, Wish says first week of October and Amazon says third week of October, and this is way too early, so I really am not sure. But you can pause the video right here and leave me a comment below, and to tell me what do you guys think, what package will it be? Will it be from Amazon or will it be from Wish app? If you want, just go ahead and pause the video right here before us knowing the answer. Leave me a comment below, and it's just like a fun game, and let me know what do you think, if it's Amazon or it's Wish. But my guess is it's Amazon. I'm not 100% sure though, because none of the packages, like I mentioned, have said that they were delivered today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this package. And all the packages that all the diamond paintings that I ordered are coming from China, so they're all China mail, and that's why I can't even figure out through the company, because even on Amazon, although I am a Prime member, I ordered some of the paintings that were just 1 cent or 1 cent or 98 cents and free shipping. I ordered those kind of paintings. So let me turn this over and let's see. Oh, it doesn't say anything on here. It just says made in China. So definitely don't know yet where this package came from, and the mystery still keeps going on. Sounds like fun. Let me see if I can just peel this open. Nah, nope, too much hard work. Never mind. I don't want to cut the painting completely. That's why I'm like kind of skeptical. Okay, so here it is, the final reveal. Okay, so this is from Amazon. I was right, yay. Anyways, this is a partial drill painting from Amazon, and let me just fold the sides. Okay. Let me see. Yep, this is a partial drill that I ordered from Amazon, and this was only 1 cent, and I think they charged, no, they did not charge any shipping, so it was really actually really cheap. 1 cent. That's good. It's really good. I ordered this painting, I think it was a Sunday. I ordered, so it's the first Sunday of the month, this month. I am not remembering the date. When I check, I don't have my phone handy with me, but if I after I'm done shooting this video, I will check what date it was, and I will leave in the comment section below for you guys to know when I ordered it. And it did come really fast because I wasn't expecting this package till mid-October, so it did come really fast. It still says that it's on its way to your home, and it doesn't show delivered on Amazon. So here it is. It's a partial cat. It's the Colourful Cat, and I've seen a lot of people order this, and a lot of people buy this kit. I purchased a colorful dog that I will have a link in the description for you guys. I completed that dog painting. It was 20 by 20 centimeter, and that was a free painting that I got from Poster Lol with the kit that I purchased. And that was a colorful dog, but it was a full drill, and I gifted it to my friend. I will leave a link in the description for you guys to check out. And this cat looks pretty cute. I'm really happy. It's a partial drill. I know it was a partial. It's only 1 cent, and it did not cost me no shipping, so that's really cheap. And from the looks of it, the glue is amazing. It sticks very well, and I wasn't expecting this painting today, so hey. And this painting, like it says right here, has 16 colors, and it also gives me the code for the DMC code. Some of the paintings, they don't give me DMC codes, and then I'm all confused. And it is round drill. Yay, another round drill for me. I have tons of round drill. I really want to sit down, focus, and order square drill paintings. I have a lot of round drills. So that's the canvas, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have done this kitty or this cat, and how did you like this cat. I really love the vibrant colors that it's showing up here. From that, let's go ahead and look at the drills. They are packaged beautifully. Doesn't look like any of the packages have broken out. Whoa. Okay, and this is the color number 16, and then all the colors right here. Oh, holy cow. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I am back. That was not very nice of me. It was nobody's fault but mine. I ripped open the bag. I was not careful. That was kind of silly. And here are the drills for number 14, and I do see some mixtures. I did not rip open any other bag except number 14, and there are some colors mixed in, but that's pretty normal. It's not that bad. And the quality of the drill is really good. I really like it. You can see some of them have been bursted up right here, but that's okay. And some of them are mixed in with these ones, if you can see. So there is some mixture in between the colors, which is all right. I am not really that much concerned because the colors are pretty there's a certain amount of difference, so you can tell which colors got mixed in with which one, so that's kind of good. For now I have just put this in a resealable bag that I use, and then I'll transfer them in my storage system. Right now I'm just going to leave it that way. That was bad. That was my fault. Okay, so the drill quality looks pretty decent. There is a certain amount of mixture in between two colors, which is pretty normal. I do get a few, I have had a lot of packages with the mixing of two colors, which is okay. I'm not worried about it. The quality is what that matters. And as for the black, it looks pretty decent, and that's what most of us are concerned about. The darker colors, they are usually the ones that needs to be looked out at, which lets me to point out that pretty amazingly, the 6-feet painting that I am working on, the black color drills is amazing in that painting, but a lot of other colors in that painting are stuck together, and I'm having a hard time doing a certain greens, and I will definitely post a video about those drills that are not working properly for me. And I am looking through the looking through YouTube to find different ways to just take out the stickiness from those drills, so that I can I don't have to go looking for that separate ones, or I have to keep wasting time on that. So that's a little update on my 6-feet painting. I have yet to work on it. I'm working on it, but yet to do a video about it. Lastly, in this video, coming back to the topic, they sent me a toolkit, the basic standard single pick pen, and then the green boats. I have a ton of them now, and a sheet of wax. Yay, more wax. So yeah, that's the basic kit. Nothing out of nothing usual. They did not give me any resealable bags to store my extra drills, which is okay with me. I have a ton of them, and also I don't use most of the time the resealable bags they give me, unless I am working on it and I haven't found my store. I haven't stored them in my storage system. I will definitely use the resealable bags, but I have a ton of them left over from other paintings, so I'm not even worried about it. So that's about it, guys. This is my diamond painting kit that came in today, and this is the little kitty partial drill. I don't usually order partial drills, but this was 1 cent only and free shipping. This deal was not to be given away, to be looked away. So I definitely wanted something that was really, really cheap, even though it would take a month to come by, which it took pretty decent time. It was not even I think it's 2 weeks now. I don't think it's more than 2 weeks that I ordered this painting. So yeah, definitely really, really, really happy with the shipping. Leave you in the comments how much exactly it took to come in, but I know it did take about 2 weeks, which was good because it still says that it's coming on October, I think the 18th, on my Amazon. So yeah, really happy. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you have done this kitty, or if you have done any of these colorful animals, because I have done the dog, I've seen the lion. I don't know, there might be many more, but let me know in the comment section if you have done any of these colorful animals, full drill or partial. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button while you're subscribing to my channel to stay in the loop of all the new videos I post out. Definitely coming out with some updates on my diamond painting soon, so just keep a lookout for them. And thank you so much again for all the beautiful comments you guys post. I never can get over with the beautiful comments you guys leave me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.